team that will face off with Moors FC in the first semi-final.
So Triangle United will be facing Moors in the semi-final, and that means Dynamos will be up against Highlanders to set up for a very, very exciting semi-final clash.
The first semi-final for the 2025 Chibuku Super Cup is Moors FC versus Triangle United. Moors FC versus Triangle United. And now we'll draw the team that will play Dynamos in the second semi-final.
And now, as a matter of procedure, we do draw the second team, Highlanders, who have just staged a dramatic comeback against Scotland. They will be coming up against the cup holders, Dynamos, in the second semi-final of the Chibuku Super Cup. Semi-final number 1, Moors versus Triangle United. Dynamos versus Highlanders. The stage is set and they are down to the last 4 of the 2025 edition of the Chibuku Super Cup.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. That is our draw for the 2025 Chibuku Super Cup semi-finals. Thank you, Lawrence and Anthony.
The semi-final fixtures are set. From all of us here at ZZ, thank you for joining us for our live coverage of the cup.
Please come to the DJ, and if you happen to pick some car keys, if you pick some car keys, please bring them to the DJ right now. If you lost your home keys, please find your keys, come to the DJ, and if you picked some car keys, please come with them to the DJ. Thank you so much, people.
Objecto!